On August 25th, 2025, deputies rushed to a Florida airport after receiving a terrifying call. A woman waiting for her hotel shuttle was approached by a complete stranger who started saying bizarre things to her before pulling out a weapon. Let's get straight into the body cam footage to see how officers handled this encounter.
Hello.
Hello.
What's going on?
I had gotten off my plane and someone had approached me and kind of instantly was just giving off like a very strange, he said he wanted his kids to have my eyes, and I was politely saying no thank you, no thank you. And he asked if he could bless me and hold my hands, and I said no. So then he pulled out a box cutter and he said I was going to bless you, and I just ran away. But he pulled out a box cutter.
Where's he at?
He is over sitting on that bench, I believe, in black. He has a hat on.
And he got off the plane with you?
No, I don't know who he was. He just kind of approached me from behind and just started talking.
Where did you come? You flew in what airline?
Spirit. I came off and I was sitting over here for 10 minutes. And then he just approached me from behind, saying all that stuff. I don't know where he came from. I don't know if he was even on a plane. I assume not if he has a knife with him.
And where'd he go? You said he's sitting over here?
Over on the bench, yeah.
Deputies spot the suspect sitting calmly on a nearby bench and move in to confront him. Right away, the suspect plays dumb. He claims his name is Prince and arrogantly tells the cops that he is a Hollywood figure who was just having a fun conversation with the lady.
What's going on, man? We got a complaint on you. Were you talking to some girl over here?
Some girl?
A girl.
A lady.
A lady over there at the bus stop over there?
Let's just start who you are. You have your ID on you? No, but I'm just confused.
Do you have your ID?
No, we're not here, but I'm just confused.
What are you confused about?
Said I was talking to a lady?
Were you talking to a lady over there?
Yeah. We're having a friendly
Okay, what happened?
I'm an artist, I'm a Hollywood figure, so I was just having a fun.
You're what?
I'm a Hollywood figure, I was just having a fun conversation with her.
You're a Hollywood figure?
Yeah, we were just having a fun conversation.
What's your first name?
Prince Comfort.
Huh?
Prince Comfort.
Prince?
Yes, sir.
And last name?
Comfort. K-O-O-M-S.
Hold on, K-O-O?
M-S-O-N.
M-S-O-N? And your birthday?
June 1st, 2000.
Where do you live at?
I live in California.
Okay, how'd you get over here? What are you doing over here?
I'm trying to get a flight.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Not right now.
Like mail or anything?
Not right now. I said I was talking to a girl. That's what I'm. How that leads to a cop or talking to me.
Well, you freaked her out.
I freaked her out.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Not right now, but he said I freaked her out.
Yeah, that's why she called. That's why we're over here.
No, I was talking to her and she
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Here,
Just a knife.
Okay, don't reach for it. Keep your hand out of your pocket.
Put your hand
Here, stand up and I'll pat you down and I'll get the knife out of your pocket myself. Stand up and grab the wall.
Am I at fault? Have I done anything
Stand
wrong?
up.
We just asking you to comply. We're just making sure that nothing happens, all right? Keep your hands right there.
Yeah. That's the only thing that... It's a weapon I have in man. Yeah.
Yeah, put your hands behind your back for a second until we figure out what's going on. All right?
No, I'm not resisting arrest at all.
No, we're not arresting you.
No, I'm not even resisting.
We're just conducting an investigation and figuring out what's going on.
You're putting a cuff on me.
Huh?
You're putting a cuff on me when I'm not even resisting arrest.
Obviously.
What?
Do you have anything with your name on it so we can prove this is your Prince?
Maybe my bag or something, but right now.
Huh? Are you homeless or what are you?
I live in California.
Okay, what are you doing in Florida?
I'm trying to get a flight. I do shows and others.
When did you get to Florida?
A couple days ago.
But how you get here if you don't have your ID? You have to have ID to travel.
Yeah, that's why I'm not traveling. That's why I haven't traveled.
Huh?
That's why I haven't traveled yet.
What happened to your ID?
I lost my driving license.
Knowing the suspect was reported to be armed, the officer asks if he has any weapons. The suspect casually admits, just a knife. Officers don't take any chances. They immediately order the suspect to his feet, instruct him not to reach for his pockets, and place him in handcuffs for everyone's safety. He claims he is at the airport to catch a flight to California, but his story makes zero sense. He has no ID, no luggage, and no way to actually board an airplane. The Hollywood figure complains about being cuffed, arguing that he isn't resisting, but the officers stand their ground, retrieving the deadly weapon from his pocket and sitting him down while they finish gathering the victim's statement.
Do you have your ID on you?
You do, yeah.
Okay, so just let's run through it. So you get off the plane, you come out, you sit over here, you're waiting for,
My shuttle from my hotel.
okay, and then he just out of the blue, randomly comes walking up and says,
Yeah.
so just starts like,
Says, his kids are gonna have my eyes.
okay,
And I said, well, then I hope he finds somebody that has these eyes. And he said he already found it. I met God. He's God. He's Jesus. He can bless me. None of these other people can bless me. I told him I had a boyfriend, and he said he's not, I don't know, childish, whatever. He was just like kind of repeatedly saying like nobody's as good as him. And he was asking for like my number, and I was kind of nervous. I like gave him my phone and I took it back. And then he asked if he could hold my hands to bless them, and I said no. He asked if he could have my glasses. I said no. And then he said he was going to bless me, but then he pulled out a box cutter and he like rolled it all the way up, and I was like, absolutely not. So I just kind of ran away, and I went to the workers over there. Said it. I was by myself.
okay. And what did he say when he pulled out the box cutter? Anything? Or?
He said I was gonna bless you, like my hands, I guess. But then he just like showed me the blade, and I was like, I'm not even.
And then you ran away?
Yeah.
Obviously you're in fear?
Yeah, yeah.
What do you want? What do you ultimately want to happen? You
I don't really know if I need to file a report. I just didn't want him to see what hotel I was going to. I was getting on a
No,
shuttle,
I'm not.
but,
That's not. I'm at. Do you want to prosecute? You want him to go to jail? Because there's some that when I call my sergeant and let him know what happened, he's
Yeah.
going to ask me if you want to prosecute and all that stuff.
well, I mean, I don't live here. Do I, like, does that matter?
Well, there's a process.
Yeah.
Of that stuff. Whether or not.
I mean, I feel like as long as he's not a threat to anyone else, did you find the weapon? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean,
But I can't promise anything with him. That's what I'm saying. Like it's
Right.
that's what I'm saying. It doesn't. Regardless if you don't live down here or whatever, there's just still a process here. Was there any witnesses over there or anything or no?
No, I was by myself.
Okay, give me 1 second and let me
Okay.
get right back with you.
Yeah, okay.
Because of the victim's quick thinking to run for help, officers were able to detain this unhinged suspect before anyone got hurt. He was officially arrested and hit with 2 serious charges: aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, without intent to kill. This charge means that by pulling out the box cutter and threatening the woman, he intentionally created a realistic and extreme fear for her safety, even if he didn't plan on actually taking her life. False information given to law enforcement. This charge was added because the suspect lied to deputies during their official investigation, likely regarding his fake Hollywood identity and his real reasons for lingering around the airport. What do you think about how this suspect acted when the cops confronted him? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more real body cam breakdowns, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.